Friends, I am Pawan Kumar and welcome to Target 101. Today we solve many mathematics problem and this problem very repeated in previous board paper, sample paper and others papers like NTSC and Oswald and NCRT exemplar. So this problem is very important from board exam 2020 and 21. Now we start our problem. So our first problem is, this is our first problem. So problem is, find the 25th term of the AP minus 5 upon 2 0 and and 5 upon 2. So we write given points. So given point is, because we find 25th term of the AP, so n is equals to 25, a is equals to minus 5 because this is the first term of AP, so a is equals to minus 5, and d difference is equals to a2 minus a1 is equals to a4 minus a3. Okay, so a2 is minus 5 upon 2, sign is minus, so we write the sign of minus, and a1 is minus 5, so we write in bracket minus 5 is equals to a4 5 upon 2, and a3 is 0, so we write this 0. Okay, and minus 5 minus plus, and 5 upon 2 is equals to, because we subtract 0 other number, so we find number when we subtract number, so whose number is our answer. So 5 upon 2 is because we subtract 0, so 5 upon 2 is 5 upon 2 our answer. So minus 5 upon 2, we get LCM, so 5 2 ja 10 upon 2 is equals to 5 upon 2. We subtract 10 minus 5, so we get only 5 upon 2 and is equals to 5 upon 2. So the difference is equals to 5 upon 2, and there are 3. There is first step, this question we find n, a, d is 5 upon 2, and we put in formula an formula, this is nth formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 and d. So we find an 25th term of AP, so we put this value a25 because n is 25, so a is minus 5 plus n is 25 minus 1, and d is 5 upon 2, this is 5 upon 2, so multiply 5 upon 2, and we solve. A25 is equals to minus 5 and plus में 24 into में 5 upon 2. A25 is equals to minus 5. We multiply by 24 into 5. So 120 upon 2. A25 is equals to, we LCM this okay. So 5 2 जा 10 minus 10 प्लस में 120 upon 2. A25 is equals to, we subtract 120 by 10, so we get 110 upon 2, and we divide it by 110 by 2, so we find 55. So the 25th term of this AP is 55. 55 is 25th term of this AP. Okay, so we solve this problem easily. So we looking our next problem. So next problem is this is our next problem, and this question very important. This question repeated all previous sample paper. Okay, so we solve this problem very carefully. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3. We will not get product of zeros and sum of zeros. We get only zeros. So we make product of zeros and sum of zeros. So we write given points. Given point is zeros. Zeros is 5 plus root 3 and 5 minus root 3. Okay, so we find product of zeros and sum of zeros. So we find sum of zeros. So sum of zeros 5 plus root 3. We find sum of zeros. So we write sum of sign means plus sign, and 5 minus root 3 in bracket. Okay, so 5 plus root 3 plus 5 and plus minus root 3. We cut root 3 by minus root 3 by root 3. So we find 5 plus 5 10. Okay, so sum of zeros is 10. Similarly, we find product of zeros. Product of zeros. So 5 into root 3. 5 plus root 3. 5 plus root 3 multiply by 5 minus root 3, and we make multiply bracket in this questions. Okay, here apply a plus b and a minus b theorem. What is a plus b, a minus b theorem? We study in 9th class. A plus b and a minus b r is equals to a square minus b square. This is our theorem. Okay, we study in 9th class. So we now apply this formula here. So a plus b and a minus b. So a is 5. So 5 square minus sign minus and root 3 square. Okay, 5 square is 25 minus cut square by root, so 3, and we subtract 25 into 3, so we get 22. Okay, and we know the formula of quadratic equation. The quadratic equation formula is quadratic polynomial formula is x square. Okay, x square minus here sum of zeros and x plus product of zeros is equals to 0. Okay, so x square, and now we put this value x square minus what is the value of sum of zeros. The sum of zeros is 10. So 10 and x plus product of zeros is equals to 22. So 22 and is equals to 0. So x square minus में 10x plus 22. We don't do rectification in this question. So this question is very easily solution. Easily solve. Okay. So we look next problem. So next problem is this. This is our next problem. So show the reciprocal of an irrational number is irrational. What is this problem? We let the irrational number is root 2. We let any of number root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 9, root 8. We let any number. Okay, but here we let root 2. Reciprocal. So reciprocal of root 2. Reciprocal of root 2 is 1 upon root 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? So 1 upon 2. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3? So 3. Okay, this is the reciprocal prakriya. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of root 2? The reciprocal of root 2 is 1 upon 2. And now start our question. This question is very, very important to board exam. So 1 upon 2. Now we write let us assume on the contrary that 1 upon root 2 is a rational number, because root 2 is irrational number, so it is reciprocal. 1 upon 2 is always irrational number. Okay, any number reciprocal, any irrational number reciprocal is irrational. So when we write 1 upon 2, assume 1 upon 2 is rational number, so 1 upon 2, sorry, we adding a line here, we adding a line. We write, let us assume on the contrary that 1 upon root 2 is a rational number. We add another line, then there exist coprime positive integers a and b such that, and now we write this. So 1 upon root 2 is equals to, we assume coprime positive integer, always coprime number, coprime HCF is, coprime number HCF is already 1. Okay, not a same number, already 1. So 1 upon root 2 is equals to a upon b. It is a first step this question. Okay, so where a and b are coprime, we write here, where a and b are coprime, where b not equal to 0. Okay, b not equal to 0. Now and we we cross multiply this equation. So we multiply by b into 1, so b is equals to root 2 a, and we write this root 2 a is equals to b, not mistake, on b is equals to root 2a, so root 2a is equals to b already, always. Okay, and we write squaring both side, we squaring both side, so root 2a square is equals to b square. So root 2a square, square से square to root are cancel, so 2 and a square is equals to b square. Okay, and we write this, v upon a 2a square is equals to b a square. This is a equation how to make? When we squaring both side, and this is make. And now we write it is third step. So we look, it is third step, where a square is equals to b square upon 2. Clear? We write 2a square is equals to b square. This is multiply relationship. So a square is equals to b square upon 2. Okay. Now we write, when b square divided by 2, so b already divided by 2. Okay, we write this form. Now, so we studied a square is equals to b upon 2, because when v square divided by 2, so b already divided by 2, so b already divided by 2. Okay, let b is equals to 2c. We let new topic, new number, b is equals to 2c. From some positive integers, c is a positive integer, not a negative integer. C is a positive integer. We let b is equals to 2c from some positive integer c. Now squaring both side. Okay, we take squaring both side. So we squaring both. Why we squaring both side? No, we don't squaring both side, because we have already both squaring both side, where 2a square is equals to b square. So be putting b in the value of this, we let 1. Okay, so 2a square is equals to b square, and 2a square is equals to, what is the value of b? So value of b is 2c. So 2c square, 2a square is equals to 4c square. Okay, so here divided by 2. So a square is equals to 2c square, simply. So we write, when a square divided by 2, so a already divided by 2, or always divided by 2. Okay, so a is equals to when c square is equals to a square upon 2. Okay, and c square is equals to a upon 2. We write this. Okay, now we write 2 upon b and 2 upon a. 2 upon b and 2 upon b. This is a contradictional to the fact that a and b are co-prime. Right here. This is a contradiction to the fact that A and B are co-prime. Hence, 1 upon 2 is irrational number. So a reciprocal of an irrational number is irrational. Okay, and here we look next problem. What is the next problem? So this is our next problem. Okay, this is our next problem. In the figure, triangle ABC, triangle A, B and C, DE parallel AB if AD is 2x. This is AD. AD is 2x. DC is x plus 3 and BE is 2x minus 1 and EC is x. This is very important question. Okay, now we find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Why and how? So we studied Thales theorem. Thales, you write clearly. Okay, Thales theorem. What is speak Thales theorem? Thales theorem is speak when DE parallel than AB. So CD upon में DA is equals to CE upon में EB. Okay, by Thales theorem. Okay, clearly. Now we put the value. CD is x plus 3 upon DA is 2x is equals to CE is x and EB is 2x plus minus 1, and we cross multiply this equation. So we multiply 2x minus 1 by x plus 3 and 2x by x. So write this 2x bracket x is equals to x plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1. Okay, clear? So 2x square, because we multiply 2x by x, so 2x square is equals to x by 3 by 2x minus 1. So first time we multiply by x by 2x and 1. So x multiply by 2x minus 1. So right is x by 2x. So 2x square. And x by minus 1. So minus x. And we multiply by similarly 3 to 2x and 1. So 3 2 ja 6. So sorry, plus में 6x and minus 3. Okay, 2x square and 2x square are same sign, so we cut 2x square by 2x square, because they are same sign. So 6x minus x, so because minus plus is minus, so x minus 6x minus 3. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. So we minus 6x in x, so 5x minus 3 is equals to 0, because we cut by this to this and find 0. So 3 is minus, so come to here, so it is make plus 3, so plus 3 is equals to 5x, and x is equals to 3 upon 5. So what is the value of x? The value of x is equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, so student, today we find more problems. This problems is come previous paper, many previous paper and sample paper. So this is very important video for you, and board paper 2020-2021 for class 10th. So you subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video. Okay, thank you.